back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I truly appreciate for those ones who have passed by, viewed my videos. I truly appreciate you people. I don't take you for granted, guys. Don't mind my hair, please. As you can see, this is a day at home, so I always feel most comfortable at home while I've tied my hair like this. So yeah, like I was saying, I truly appreciate you people for viewing my videos. For those ones who have followed me, I truly appreciate you guys. May God bless you, may God add you more and more, and I truly appreciate you guys. So guys, please, for those ones who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I truly ask you guys for you to subscribe to my channel. Please just come here, feel most welcome in my channel. As you pass by viewing my videos, guys, I humbly ask you for you to subscribe. Imagine it's free. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, beg you guys, we are on road 100k, and yeah, penye tumefika, I don't complain. So I just have hope, and as you people like my videos, I truly get that hope that we are going there. So tunaenda tu pole pole. So kindly people, my guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so today I think we're going to do supper for my family, and I'm just going to prepare for you guys broiler chicken. Hope you'll enjoy my video, guys. It's not that I'm good, I'm perfect, like I've done catering, no, but cooking is my passion, I think so, because whenever I cook something, whenever I try something, it comes out perfect, and people test me, it's nice, it's sweet, so it keeps me going. So guys, yeah, today I'm going to do a broiler chicken, and I believe we are going to enjoy it. So guys, oh, before I forget, I'm not that spicy person, so I'm just going to use the small spices that I'm having in the house, because me generally I don't use spices. I usually put, because of the people that are in the house, they are spicy people, so I must put inside. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to use a few of spices like tomatoes, those are nyanyas, onion, and I have Royco. I also have the curry powder, which I love most because it always makes the soup strong. What else? I have yeah, salt, and these, let me show you. You know these things, they work magic. These two things, if you haven't used these, kindly go and look for these two things and try them, because I usually use these two things in almost everything, like every stew. When I cook meat, when I cook kindly mostly on meat, and what else? Meat, we have Irish potatoes, we have matumbo, matumbo, yeah, those are intestines. This thing work miracle. Only this and Royco and onion, also tomatoes. These are the only spices that I usually frequently use it in this house. So kindly, if you don't have this, make use of this. Yeah. Thank you guys. So hope you're going to enjoy. And also after I've already cooked the chicken, I'll still try to blend some. I saw someone doing carrot. She blended carrot plus, I don't know, it was carrot and citric lemon. Yeah, so I also want to try that, because she was like, you see this one, it makes your body glows. Yeah, I think I'm glowing a little bit, but I'm going to try it so that I can see. Like for the whole of this week, I'm just going to blend carrot, lemon, and add sugar, then I drink. I want to see this miracle of glowing. Yeah, so you're going to do also that. So kindly guys, enjoy. So guys, like I was saying, these are the only spices that I have in this house. So don't laugh at me, because I'm not a spicy person. Like I was saying, this is oregano, that I'm going to use. This is thyme leaves. Thyme leaves. This is Royco, like everyone of us knows Royco. This is turmeric, but I don't like more of this turmeric. I'm just going to try using it. I've never used it because you see it's still full. Only the visitors and the in-laws who comes in this house are the ones who usually use it, because I'm not a turmeric person. And this, which is salt. So guys, yeah, let us start. I'm going to take my pan. You see, this is the media plate that I was talking about. It's very easy to use it, and it's very light, and you can carry it anywhere that you feel like you can go with it. Yeah, so you just press it, then you place your chicken. This is my chicken that I'm going to use. I'm going to boil first. I had already washed, so it's only boiling because I just wanted to make my video short. Like I'm trying to make my video short, very short, like very short, yeah. So I had already washed my chicken, so I'm boiling it for like 5 to 10 minutes, then I start frying it. Yes, that is it. So guys, these are the only spices that I'm going to add as it boils. It's just salt. I'm just going to add salt. Then I wait for some minutes to boil. Then we start frying. Yeah guys, so as we are waiting, I'd like just to interact with you people and get to know more about. So guys, maybe people are wondering, I have a pressure cooker here, but I'm not using it. Let me tell you guys, you see this one, it's nice. I like it so much, but it's very fast that if you waste even 1 minute, the whole chicken will I don't know, itaiva sana, then it will become not tasty, you see. So I always prefer this when I always prefer this when I'm cooking something for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so that I can predict the minutes and I can get to observe whatever I'm cooking. Because when you put here the minutes, until the minutes are over, you cannot open it. The minutes should be over, then you press all the pressure that is inside for you to open it. So it's a process, it's a whole process. I love it, yes, but I'd prefer this one for this. I prefer this one for this. Now, yes guys, so as we are waiting, yes guys, as we are waiting for it to boil, I just like to interact with you guys and let's kind of share. Let me share whatever that triggered me to start this YouTube channel and my targets and etc. So yes, so something that triggered me to start this channel. Yeah, I did mass communication, but I wasn't interested in the cost of it. So I ventured into business, which I don't regret. Because right now in our country, you know guys, there are no jobs. Even if you go for master's, PhD, you still come for that a small business to boost you, because you're not sure where you are going, if you'll be employed or if you won't be employed. So yeah, I ventured into business, which I'm not regretting. So me coming on YouTube, yeah, it was just something like I felt like I should do, because right now I'm still at home. I'm a stay-at-home mom, kidogo, still taking care of my daughter before, and also my businesses before enrolling to any other thing in life. So I just thought that I think I have ideas that I can share with new people. We can get to learn, we can get to educate, we can get to entertain, we can get to do A, B, C, D, etc. Yeah, so I'm here. Let's see how it goes. You see, the chicken is proceeding. So guys, this is just tomatoes, onion, and the hoho. We call them hoho in Swahili. So for the garlic and the ginger, I had already put inside to boil with the chicken. As you can see, it's still in the process of boiling. It will only take 5 minutes. Then after that, I'll start frying my chicken. Meanwhile, on the other side, I'm also boiling these cow legs. They're so sweet. I don't know if I always see these in Kenya only. This is cow leg. You just prepare cow leg, then you boil. Then the soup is so nutritious. You see, the soup is so nutritious for kids, and even those ones who like drinking, they love this kind of soup. So for my hubby, I usually prepare this like 2 times a week. I'll boil the cow leg. It's a process, but I usually boil it. As you can see, this one also, that's my kapot, which normally does good work in boiling. This one only took me like 30 minutes and it's ready. So immediately when he comes, he'll drink this, and yeah. So guys, I had just to add a little bit of cooking oil, because you see already the broiler, it always has its own oil, so you just have to add small little bit.